to the device configuration. So secure devices, security administrator access while choose a password. Secure privilege access with the password, secure user exit with the password, remote telnet session, encrypt all of them. So this is a task actually. When choosing password, password must be 8 characters, choose combination of upper layer, avoid using the same password. So here you can see we are, first of all, as of now, if I try to log into the device, let's say I logged out, okay, enable, you see, enable, when I just type the enable, if we have not set the password for enable, it's a security risk, because it is not going to ask any username and password. Without username and password, somebody can just go into the enable mode and he can do anything. Okay, he can erase all the configuration, he can change the configuration. So basically the idea is secure your line, enable secret class. Okay, then you can set the password for console line, you can set the password for BTY line as well. I'll explain. Enable password, let's say I'm saying Cisco. Okay, so now I have set the password, enable password Cisco. Let's say I am going to login again, enable. Now you see this time, previously when I log into enable from here, it did not ask me any password, but now it asked me a password. Is it clear? Secondly, you can also, it is also security hazard if somebody just go into the physical to the device, connect to the console and can do anything, right? So basically better thing is config, you can see line console 0, password Cisco 123. So at least I'm just configuring some part, because if somebody has a console access, he can do anything. So it's better to secure your console as well. Now simply if I try to log in through the console this time, so you see when you see line console question mark, it only show me one line, 0. And I say password. So these are the commands available under the line console. And you see my mode is changed. I am config mode plus I'm in the LAN mode, line mode. Similarly, sorry.